They call it the pulse, a rhythmic, relentless surge of human will that defines the life of a megacity. But here, at the heart of Jakarta, that pulse doesn't just beat, it roars. Welcome to Manggarai. To the uninitiated, this looks like chaos. But to the over 1 million souls who navigate this labyrinth daily, it's a finely tuned dance. We are currently on the upper levels of the Bogor Line. This is where the north meets the south, a gateway for hundreds of thousands of commuters heading home after a long day in the concrete jungle. Notice the movement. It's not just walking, it's a collective flow. Look at the stairs, the transit point to the Bekasi and Cikarang lines. It's a bottleneck of dreams and exhaustion. In the West, we talk about the hustle of New York's Penn Station or the grandeur of London's King's Cross, but Manggarai operates on a different scale of intensity. It is one of the densest transit points in Southeast Asia. By 2026, this station will evolve even further with the arrival of the LRT, cementing its status as the ultimate central hub. But today, in this very moment, it is a testament to urban resilience. Every person you see here is a story of a father rushing to see his children, a student finishing an assignment on their phone, a worker carrying the weight of the city on their shoulders. There is a quiet heroism in this community. It's the endurance of a people who keep this economy breathing, one train ride at a time. As we descend to the second floor, the roar softens into a hum. This is the Concourse, the station's lungs. It's a rare moment of stillness in a world that never stops. One of the most humanizing features of Jakarta's modern stations is right here, the charging stations. In a digital age, a dead battery is a severed connection. Seeing people gathered here, tethered to the walls as their devices come back to life, reminds us that even in a megastructure of steel and concrete, The focus remains on the individual. It's a small comfort, but a vital one. It's a wish many of us share for the rest of the city's infrastructure, a place to recharge, both literally and figuratively, before the next leg of the journey. We descend once more, deeper into the belly of the beast, the Bekasi and Cikarang platforms. If the upper level was the tide, this is the current. Here, the lines blur. Passengers from Depok, Bogor, and central Jakarta all converge here to find their way east. There's an elegance to this struggle. Watch how the crowd parts for those exiting, and how the void is filled instantly by those boarding. It's a survival instinct honed by years of practice. This isn't just a commute. It's a shared experience that binds 10 million people together. As the evening light filters through the station, you realize that Manggarai is more than just a transit point. It is a monument to the future of Indonesia. It's a bridge between the colonial past of 1918 and the high-tech, interconnected future of the 2030s. In 5 years, the trains might be faster, the station might be larger, and the technology might be more advanced. But the spirit of this, placed the semangat of the commuters, will remain unchanged. This is the heart of Jakarta. It is loud, it is crowded, and it is beautiful. Because as long as these trains are moving, the city is alive. Next time you find yourself in a crowd, don't just see the numbers. See the pulse. See the journey. And remember that we are all, in some way, just trying to find our way home.